Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, today we will discuss about the new type of classification, that is Hutchinson classification. We have already started the chapter classification of plant. In this chapter we have already discussed about the natural system of classification, artificial system of classification, and phylogenetic system of classification. In phylogenetic we have already discussed the various type of classification like angular and parental, and इसके साथ जो आवर साइंटिस्ट इसके साथ एसोसिएट थे उसके क्लासिफिकेशन भी हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे द नेक्स्ट टाइप क्लासिफिकेशन, दैट इज Hutchinson classification system. So this scientist Hutchinson classify the all plant into two categories, gymnosperm and angiosperm. स्पेशली जो एडवांस प्लांट थे उसने उसको दो कैटेगरी में, जो तेलोफाइट के अलावा जो एडवांस प्लांट थे उसने उसको दो कैटेगरी में डिवाइड कर ले, एक को एंजियोस्पर्म और दूसरे को जिम्नोस्पर्म का नाम दिया गया। लेकिन इससे पहले उसने जितना भी काम किया था, all their work that has done on the system of classification, he all put this information in the one book. That name was, this book was the family of the flowering plant. Mean the system of classification was published in the book family of the flowering plant. Hutchinson ने ये क्लासिफिकेशन इसी बुक के अंदर पब्लिश किया था उसी टाइम। And he divided the all plant into two categories. One is the gymnosperm and other is the angiosperm. This angiosperm is again divided. So what is the gymnosperm and angiosperm? We have already discussed about it, the property and differentiation among them. In the previous top lecture we have discussed it, is similarity and difference. So here we will only draw the sketch of this classification, not only the each family and order that is associated with each group, but only explain the general sketch or general outline of this system. This angiosperm is again divided into two groups. One is monocot and other is dicot. So what is monocot and dicot? We have already discussed it in the previous lecture. This dicot is again divided into two groups. One is Lignosi and other is Herbaceae. In this Lignosi he put all those plants that are woody in nature, mean tree or shrubs. वो तमाम प्लांट जो वुडी थे, जो ट्री थे, जो श्रब थे, उसने इसको इस ग्रुप में रख लिया है। तो व्हाट इज अ ट्री एंड श्रब? वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड दिस डिफरेंशिएशन इन द प्रीवियस क्लास। एंड द सेकंड ग्रुप दैट ही मेड इन द dicotyledon or dicot, that was herb. In this group he put all those angiosperm plant that is a non-woody, that are soft plant. So what is the difference between herb, shrub and tree? We have already discussed in the previous class. Another group that he made, that was a monocot. In monocot, again he divided this monocot group into three category or three group. वन की नेम, एक को उसने नाम दिया कैलिसिफेरी, जिसमें उसने वो तमाम प्लांट रख लिए। ऑल दोस प्लांट ही पुट इन दिस ग्रुप दैट हैव सेपल एंड पेटल, मीन सेपल पेटल बोथ वर प्रेजेंट, एंड द बेस अपॉन देयर फ्लोरल part he divided this group again into the further group. One is a monocot is divided into further group. One is a caliciferi. In this caliciferi he put all those plants that composed of, that have sepal and petal. Second, he make another group in this monocot, that was Coroliferi. In this Coroliferi he put all those plants in which sepal petal are not present, mean floral part are present but they cannot differentiate from each other, that is a sepal or petal. But we call this condition in plant in which we cannot differentiate sepal and petal from each other, we call it perianth. Mean in this caliciferi group he put all those plants in which perianth are present. So what is perianth? Perianth those floral part in which we cannot differentiate sepal and petal. अगर ऐसे प्लांट हो जिसके फ्लावर में सेपल पेटल तो मौजूद है लेकिन हम उसको डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते कि ये सेपल है या पेटल, सो दिस ग्रुप इट इज कॉल्ड कैलिसिफेरी एंड दिस कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड, ये जो ग्रुप उसने बनाया था उसमें सारे पेरियंथ वाले प्लांट को रख लिए, इस ग्रुप को कैलिसिफेरी नाम दिया गया और इस कंडीशन को हम पेरियंथ कहते हैं। एंड द थर्ड कैटेगरी दैट ही मेड इन दिस मोनोकोटिलिडन, दैट वाज glomophary. In this glomophary he put all those plants in which sepal petal are absent. Perianth is also absent, but perianth is reduced to the another structure that is called ludicule. In family, as this ludicule is very clear. So what is ludicule? When the parent is reduced and form another type of structure which is not sepal and petal, this type of structure is called ludicule. So in this gloomy fairy he put all those plants that have ludicule. So this was a short general outline of this system of classification. Now we will discuss only one positive and one negative point that are associated with this system of classification. Positive point in this classification was that he give position, advanced position to the monocards. So modern classification or modern research is also said that monocard is advanced than dicard. So why it is advanced we have already discussed in the नेचुरल एंड आर्टिफिशियल सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन. तो मोनोकार्ड एक एडवांस है और उसने इस क्लासिफिकेशन में एडवांस पोजीशन दिया था. So we can say this is a positive point of this system of classification. But लेकिन इस सिस्टम में कुछ ड्रॉबैक या नेगेटिव पॉइंट किए थे. One point that was associated with this system was that below the family level differentiation was absent. तो इसका क्या मतलब है कि फैमिली के नीचे जो लेवल है, जीनस जो स्पीशीज है, उसमें डिफरेंशिएशन एब्सेंट थी. देयर वर नो क्लियर डिफरेंस इन देयर स्पीशीज and a genus. So mixing species and genus he was put in a one group. Some were कुछ genus ऐसे थे कि कुछ species ऐसे थे कि एक मतलब species और genus के दरमियान आपस में differentiate नहीं कर सकते थे कि ये species है या genus है. कुछ species वाले property कुछ genus का नाम नहीं दिया गया और कुछ species को species category में नहीं देखे गए थे. तो ये कुछ difference थे. This was some little different in this system of classification that we consider that this is a negative point in the system of classification of Hutchinson. So dear student, this was short outline of the system. In the lecture we will discuss the general outline of the Takhta Jan system of classification. Thank you.